watched the game last night and saw them give France a good run for their money. Certainly they shoot the ball well and freely, push the ball quick. I've been to the Philippines, I know they love basketball, so they'll never die wondering. They'll compete all the way through, and so we're in for a long game.
Hey, we're not sneaking up on anybody no more. They saw the game last night. We got to be better than we were last night. Yeah. Hey, we're always building towards the August 30. Let's go. Let's get it done together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Laban Pilipinas! Puso!
Mga mukha nyo, takot kayo. Ano kayo? Takot kayo dito? Attack! Come on!
His face. Tell him don't with my teammates like that. All right?
Thank you.